Hello, everyone.
So what do we have? We can analyze the higher time frames a bit. Today we are closing 2 weeks a week and wields larger higher time frames. We are closing the 2-week period right here. Accordingly, this is already the third leg here. From this close there should be a steady growth.
And also today, the new Federal Reserve Chair, will speak for the first time and announce the rate for the first time.
So accordingly, everyone expects that there will be no changes, but there might be, because it is Trump's birthday and he did not end up there by accident.
Large capital always reacts to such decision.
So perhaps all these drops that we are observing here were priced in for this rate, but that is one of the possible scenarios I am considering. Also, if you look here, we have sort of on 5 days, we still haven't reached it, but there have already been quite a few attempts to get there. 3 days also need to test zero in a way. All these attempts have already been made. But if you look at 14, 12, 10 hours, here we see this kind of picture, right? That is, there will definitely be a breakout after this, because all the growth we see always happens only before 10 o'clock. See how many closes happen, right? Flush with these zeros. Accordingly, as a large deficit of tokens has been accumulated here, and accordingly it will pull the entire market upward. This will be a sufficiently good spring for growth. So this week I was trying to go long. I caught a good long once, but the second time it didn't go so well, because if you look at the Birch matrix here, we passed 10 o'clock, closed higher, and then pressure came from the cone closing, another attempt, see?
They tried to break 10 o'clock again, nothing worked out.
We got cut off, we aren't even reaching 10 o'clock here. Active selling starts from 8 o'clock, see? Oh wait, they tested 10 o'clock again, but it closed again. So from 10 o'clock there is selling. So like, if we see a sustained long, it will definitely be from 10 o'clock.
Until then, I will be watching.
Now, regarding trading, as for the closed orders I had, it was right here on this small local lower. There was already a big sell-off here, and on its close I sort of entered. The take profits are a bit short, I got a bit of FOMO, tried to enter again after the next drop, to re-enter on this little hill here. Things didn't go as well here. I thought there would be a reversal, a move back up like here, but they pushed lower again, and I cut my profit a little bit. Whoa, but overall, both group trades closed in profit, one up 6%, the other up 0.5%. Right, the history here only shows for the last 180 days. Here is more up-to-date information.
Everything is fine here.
So have a great trading week, everyone. Let's see what the new Fed chair has to say, because BlackRock will surely adjust their positions based on this speech. So I think that this will very likely be a turning point.